Hello students, hope you all are familiar with this term middle term factorization and you know how to solve this type of problems. But here in this video, I will tell you how to solve this with a minimal calculation.
So the basic funda for the shortcut method of this middle term factorization is find the middle terms, compare them, means greater or less, and assign the sign according to the chart. And here is the chart. For that you have to keep in mind this chart. Now depending on the position of signs in the equation, there are four categories. Now how this chart is related, I will tell you now. Let us go for the first one, that is plus minus implies minus plus. So let us go for an example, that is x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. This plus is that one and this minus is that one. So in the result we will get two values where one root will be minus and one root will be plus. Okay, so let us solve it. X square plus, this is 15. So we have to find two terms whose multiplication is 15 and subtraction is 2, that is positive 2. That means 5 and 3. 5 into 3 is 15, 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have taken 5 and 3. So after removing the bracket, we got x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. And here we take x as common, so x plus 5 and minus 3, so x plus 5. So x plus 5 is common to both of them, so x plus 5 and this is x, this is minus 3, so x minus 3. So that means x plus 5 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equals to minus 5 comma x equals to 3. Let's go for the shortcut. The middle terms are 5 and 3 and 5 is greater than 3. Also positive and negative implies negative and positive. Here we got it. Therefore we will put negative sign in front of 5 and positive sign in front of 3. And previously we got the result minus 5 and 3. But here we have solved 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. After that we got the result. Okay. But here after just getting the terms 5 and 3, we got the result. Let's move to the next one. Plus plus minus minus. So x square plus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. So both are positive. So therefore because this is positive, so in the bracket this sign will be positive. As 24, 6 into 4 is 24 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So that is why we have chosen 6 and 4. And after opening the bracket we got this line, x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 24 equal to 0. Now from here x is common, so x plus 6, and from here 4 is common, so x plus 6 equal to 0. That is why x plus 6 and x plus 4 equal to 0. And this is why x plus 6 equals to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0 implies x equals to minus 6, x equals to minus 4. Let's go for the shortcut. Here middle terms are 6 and 4 and 6 is greater than 4. Also positive implies negative. That is why this negative sign will come in front of 6 and this negative sign will come in front of 4. And here minus 6, minus 4 are the result. So let's move to the third one. This is plus minus plus plus. Okay. Here this minus is this and this plus is this one. Now 12, so 7 plus 5 equals 12 and also 7 into 5 is 35. So that is why we have chosen 7 and 5. Now let us open the bracket and it is x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35 equal to 0. So from here we got x as common, so x minus 7, and from here minus 5 is common, so x minus 7. So x minus 7 is common to both of them. That is why x minus 7 is taken and left is x and minus 5. So x minus 5. That is why x minus 7 equal to 0 for this and x minus 5 equal to 0 for this. So x equal to 7 and x equals to 5. So let us move to the shortcut. Here middle terms are 7 and 5 and 7 is greater than 5. Also minus plus implies plus plus. So this plus will come in front of this and this plus will come in front of this, and 7 and 5 are the answer, and here we got. Now let's go for the fourth one. Here minus minus implies plus minus. So that is why we have taken this equation, and here 32. So 8 into 4 is 32 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So the middle terms are 8 and 4. Now let us open the bracket, and it is minus 8x and this minus minus plus 4x. So this is x is common, so x minus 8, and here 4 is common, so x minus 8 equal to 0. Now x minus 8 is common, so x plus 4 equal to 0. See, this is x minus 8 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0 implies x equals to 8 and x equals to minus 4. So let us go for the shortcut. Here middle terms are 8 and 4 and 8 is greater than 4. So that is why this positive will come over here and this negative will come over here. Okay, and this is the result. Hope this method is useful for you. The next part of this video will be uploaded. So thank you, and thank you for watching.